welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today, and I really hope you enjoy this quick clean with me. This video is a little bit more on the short side compared to some of my other videos, but I wanted to share just a real life clean with me today. You know, it's not always realistic to get a ton of stuff done, and I don't always clean my entire house all in one day or, tackle a bunch of stuff. So I just wanted to share with you more of a realistic approach to cleaning. And today I'm starting off in my kitchen.
I'm just trying to get by. I don't know how you do it. Trying to keep you off my mind. I can't hold to it. You make it easy, but every time I fall back again. Tell me all the secrets, 'cause baby I can see the end. Don't slow down.
Alright, so if your family is anything like mine, then your kitchen is the area where you all hang out the most. It just collects everything. The kitchen island gets piled up with random things, or the countertops, and it doesn't take long for, at least in our house, for our kitchen to look messy. So I really wanted to focus on that space first, since honestly the rest of the house wasn't too bad. And usually, recently we have all been kind of pitching in together as a family to clean up in the evenings. That way it's not so overwhelming for myself, especially now that the kids are getting a little older and they're able to help out a little bit more. So that has been so nice. But this is how I look at it. There's some days where I'm not motivated to clean, and I've had this question asked to me a million times, like, how do you get motivated? How do you stay motivated? I'm not always motivated, to be honest. Like, I'm really not. Sometimes it takes me a lot of self-encouragement to get up and get, like, the dishes done, or, like, a simple task that seems so easy for some, but for someone who doesn't care for cleaning, it can be, hard to get going. So I always try to think about it in my mind that, my husband's out working and he's doing his job, and my ultimate job is to be a stay-at-home mom, take care of my family, to make sure dinner's done, the kitchen's clean, the rooms are clean, clothes are done. And knowing that that is my job to do kind of helps me get it done, I guess, because it's my job. It's like my husband gets up and goes to work to do his job, and I get up in the morning to do my job as a stay-at-home mom. That's how I contribute to my family, is by taking care of the house. So if you look at it like that and kind of change your mindset to think about how you're actually contributing to your family, it kind of helps. And recently I was talking to a friend about this, and I would really love to go into a little bit more detail about this subject if anyone's interested in hearing what I have to say about it. But, there's just like this really huge mindset thing recently going on, where if you're not bringing in an income, then you're not doing enough, like this boss mom mentality. And there's nothing wrong with being a boss mom and bringing in income. I do make income from my channel, but there's also nothing wrong with just being mom and embracing that season of life, and really just focusing in on what you're able to contribute to your family right now at the moment, and not so much on the financial aspect. So I don't know, maybe I'll talk about it more one day if anyone's interested in hearing, but I just want to encourage you guys to really just appreciate right where you are, be content, even if it's not where you expected to be. You're doing amazing, and I just encourage you to keep pushing forward and just being happy with where you're at.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. Do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you.
So y'all know I love my spray weight glass cleaner, and recently I've been using it on my stovetop. So I spray it on and I let it sit for about 3 minutes, and then I take my little scraper and scrape off any of like the hard areas that are like stuck on, and it comes so clean. I don't have to use multiple different products to get this finish. The Sprayway glass cleaner does an amazing job. So I highly recommend if you are looking for just something simple to use instead of having to do like the Wyman stovetop cleaner and then, a multi-purpose cleaner and then the glass cleaner. Just use just the glass cleaner and see if you like it. It's worth a shot. I've been loving it so far.
I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. So lucky, still can't believe you love me.
After getting all of the kitchen cleaned up, this was a little bit later on that afternoon, I went ahead and tidied up the dining room and living room. I'm going to vacuum and then use my Bissell crosswave to clean the floors. And I've gotten a lot of questions on this. This is hands down the best cleaning tool I've ever purchased in my life. Like, I would repurchase 100 times more because I do not love to mop, but using the Bissell crosswave just makes it a lot more enjoyable. I love to vacuum, I always have, so maybe that's why, but I don't know, I just highly recommend, and I will have it linked below if you are interested.
Wake me up, I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm just scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show.
The next morning, I got up and there was a few things I wanted to tackle that I didn't get around to doing the day before. So I needed to clean the windows, wipe down the coffee table, and also quickly tidy up the bathroom, the front bathroom that I'm going to be cleaning. We used to all share that bathroom, but now since we switched our rooms back to the master bedroom, it has been so nice to to utilize the other bathroom again. I feel like the front bathroom doesn't get half as bad as it used to because we're not all brushing our teeth in there, we're not all showering in there, so it's been so nice. I wish I would have done it a while ago, honestly, but once I moved it, I wanted to just give it time because that was a huge task to, move the 2 bedrooms. So I knew that I was going to leave it for at least a year before I switched back, but anyway, So I'm just gonna quickly wipe everything down. Once again, I'm just using the sprayway. This really does help a lot with the mirrors and the faucet. Not only, like I said, not only does it clean the glass, but this black faucet looked horrible all the time. Like, who knew? I guess because it's just with the toothpaste being white, I feel like it gets a lot of marks and watermarks on it since we do have hard water as well. So that glass cleaner makes it look really nice. And then I also wanted to gather up all the laundry and start a load because I've been trying to, do that 1 load a day method, and that has been a lifesaver.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back. No going back, there's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream.
Over here on my cleaning channel, I don't really share a whole lot of my laundry room, not on purpose. It's just because it's outside of my home. It's in the back shed. So, I don't know. I don't always like tote out my tripod and my camera and stuff. So if you have never seen my laundry room and you want to see a makeover on it, I will have that video linked below. I recently just did a full transformation and I love it. I just want to spend all my time out here. I really do. So I just wanted to wipe everything down and try to keep it nice and tidy because it's one of my favorite areas in my entire home.
You and I floating on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights.
Alright y'all, so that's going to be it for this really short cleaning video. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it gave you lots of motivation today. Thank you so much for being here and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!